2007 Pontiac Solstice. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed a low mileage car. A little over 20,000 is all in this one. Inline 4-cylinder, that 2.4 liter dual overhead cam engine powering this one. 5-speed manual transmission, AC. If you want to check out the still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. See how nice a shape that paint is on the nose cone. This would be aggressive red, riding on the factory polished wheels. Ebony interior, fourth leather bucket seats. There's a center console with a manual transmission. Take a look at the top. Also in nice shape all the way around. No rips, tears, holes. Not discolored at all. Black cloth. Once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email. At the end of this video, I'm going to flip this top back into the storage compartment. We'll take a little peek at how it looks with the top off also. Once again, you can see all the still pictures top up, top down at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. The description is going to take you right there. I tell you what, I'm going to pause this. I'll flip that top down. We'll start it up, kind of kill two birds with one stone. Check out that engine bay too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top down. And literally, with the camera in my hand, put that top down. It'll take 30 seconds. That's how easy it is to put down. Great looking car as a roadster also. And you'll see that in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. What you'd expect with this low miles on it. Seat doesn't even look like it's really even worn. Check out the bolster. Well taken care of, adult driven. Again, 5-speed with a 2.4 inline 4-cylinder dual overhead cam engine underneath the hood. This is an AC car. Alright, let's check out the exact miles first of all for you. Right there, 20,350. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. You can have the seatbelt warning because I do not have my seatbelt on. Of course, AM, FM, CD, dash, everything in good shape, just what you'd expect. Clamshell hood. You may pop that open for us. Little reach one-handed, but there you go. Look at the hood liner. Never been driven in inclement weather. It's as clean underneath the hood as the rest of this car. Listen to that. Sounds good, looks good. Summer fun. 2007 Pontiac Solstice Roadster, a little over 20,000 miles, clean Carfax, aggressive red. Give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or call in or email.